Hey guys, welcome to the Coding with Luke channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a level system in Scratch. Let's get into it. So first, we're just going to make our cat be able to move. So it's just going to be really basic, because that's not what I'm showing you how to do. So first, I'm just going to make this system. It's not going to be anything fancy, just with the right arrow. It's just with the right arrow key, move right. Alright, now it should work. Yep, alright. Now, so for the level system, we want to create like something to go to. So we'll create like a flag. Sure, yeah, flag. And then, so now we want to go when flag clicked, go to where it is right now. And then we want to say if our character is touching the flag or like your goal, then broadcast message. We're going to do a new message. Next level. And then we're actually gonna create a stage here. So now we're gonna do when flag clicked, go to here, and then when they broadcast new level and the level's right, when it receives next level, you want to go to the next costume. Make sure you also, when the flag is clicked, switch to costume 1. And then I'm just going to quickly create another level just to show you. And then once the next level comes, there should be a block up there. So now, when I start it and I click the green flag, it'll keep switching between them. But we don't want that to happen. So when the first character, when he receives next level, we want him to go to where he started. So he's gonna start over here, right here, where he is right now. He's gonna go to there when he starts. So now you'll see when we go there, it goes to the next level. So that's how to create a level system and use Scratch to make it. Thank you for watching. Bye.